I had a comment recently on a video asking me how to manage categories. So someone had they'd added into their store like a ton of different categories, but they wanted to get rid of the old categories that they had and they had no idea how to do it. So it almost felt like you would add all of these things in, but there was no way to almost reverse it. And if you don't know, you know, if you don't know, you don't know. But it's a really, really simple fix. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a store and I'm going to add a few categories in, and then I'm going to start deleting a few as well, just to show you both sides of the spectrum. So let's get into it. Now, you join me here on the store. We've got all this lovely hot sauce or secret sauce, and I'm going to give them some categories. So secret sauce will go into edit, and we will, let's just skip through this, more deets, and then we'll go down to categories. So you can see here we've got tags, but I'm going to go and add a category. So we'll call this one secret, and then we'll add that in here. So we'll toggle that, and you can see that category's in. So we hit save, and then I'll just do one more so you can see the difference between two. So let's say the whiskey one. We'll call this one, we'll call this booze. So categories, and we'll say booze. Lovely. And to make sure that applies, we're going to tick and then do done. So hit save. Now you can see our categories up here, and that's going to filter our products. But if I want to, let's just go back to the shop. If I want to get rid of, let's say, secret, maybe the secret gets out and we no longer have any secret sauce. What I need to do to get rid of this category is go into settings and then go into categories. What I then need to do is click the three dots next to secret, and then I'm going to delete this. And you can see here, Squarespace says delete category, removing this category, blah, blah, blah. If you're happy to do so, hit delete, and that category is gone. And you can see we've only then got booze. If we go into secret sauce and click edit, you'll see in our categories, it also immediately gets removed from any product that has that category applied to it. So hopefully that was useful. If it was, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.